So this is the broadcast here on Wednesday, the 28th of February. We still have our loss here from yesterday. We did come back later on, and the chaos ensued while it continued. Let's just see if we can get our trade performance up. And we'll go to yesterday, which is the 28th. I'm just going to show you what we did here on the 28th. So this is what we did. We did come back, as we can see, drew down all the way down, but I think at some point the P&L was below the level that we were looking at. I believe so. I'll have to look back through the live stream, but I believe if this was an account, it would have been lost. I'll have to go check it, but the loss is still there on display from yesterday. So we're here again today, and so we'll just hide the chart trader. We'll just hide the chart trader. We'll trade off another chart. Hopefully it becomes it's a cleaner viewing experience. And let's change this to Q and get our let's change the ATM. We're gonna have a take profit at 48, and we're gonna have a stop at 12. So we're gonna take 12 ticks of stop, 28 ticks of take profit.
Order submitted. Order failed.
So I'm short there, risking 12 ticks. Oh, why is it not showing up on this chart? It's not showing up on the chart here. Oh, we're about to be stopped out anyway. So what we're seeing is, come to the charts a bit late here, bit of volatility here, came down towards that I think it's 9650, came through there, tested the 965, which acted as support previously, countered some resistance there, sold down towards this 89650, bounce, retested double bottom there, and we've had the strong bounce there. So what we'll do is, if we can get out for break even here, don't believe we will, only down 1 point.
Order failed.
So we'll take that off. Take that off. What we'll do here is, we'll have to trade it off this chart. Let's just see if this makes a difference. Let's see, when does this candle? Should probably, no, there we go.
Order failed.
Stop below the lows. Looking for a move to the open.
Target. Order failed.
Target hit. So target was hit just there. Target was just hit. So yesterday I didn't draw on my boxes of resistance, and that caused me some issues. So we're not going to make that mistake again today. Boxes of resistance. Those were the highs just there off that 965. So what we'll do is we'll drag that across, and it's right there. So it's about 64 right there. Let's see, so we close above the previous candle.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Just failed. Let's see. 46.50. Let's see if we get 49.50. 1-to-1 risk reward there. Again, we're looking to risk 3 points here. About 48.50.
Order
There
filled.
we go. So, managed to get a target there. So prices are coming into these highs here. Let's see if we should respect these highs. They're not major highs, of course. We get our ruler tool out to the highs, to the lows. 23 points. Grand scheme of things, it's not really a lot of points there. Breakouts cost me in the past. There's a major level we're looking at here to the upside. 52, move up to 56. So I'm going to look here. What's happening? Let's see. Okay, so we're in fact at a dart level. Interesting. Dart level that we sold off from previously. So we'll see here. Looks like we're about to close bearish here. Inside of this box as well.
Order submitted.
Again, stop is 3 points. May get stopped out here. So we're short at 49. Looking for a move down to take out 45.75. Back down towards that moving average. Again, May gets taken out here. Stop currently at 52, as we can see. If this market was going to sell off, it should have sold off already. Don't want to strangle the trade too much. Okay, we closed bearish. What's happening here? The moving average is down further, so we'll put that up just above that moving average. Just above that moving average, looking for that play back down towards it. Looks like we're about to be stopped out here. So this box didn't hold. Interesting. Well, it's a 3-point stop out, so we'll see. Well, looks like we're going to close bearish here. Should have hit my target by now. No, I'll get out on the close of this candle. Don't like the fact that I wicked up as well.
Order filled.
Suppose he probably will hit my target, but there he goes. Would have hit my target, but not taking any chances on this. Oh goodness me. Oh, there's a setup right there. There was a setup right there on that candle to go short. A 3CS. Oh, it's 3CS. It's 3CS short. Okay, and that 3CS short should take us back down towards that 39.25, which is 39.25 is about there. Okay, 39.25. Interesting. I may just I'll just leave an
Order submitted.
Who knows? Who knows? Maybe we'll get that order filled. Oh goodness me. Yeah, we've got to 39.25, so missed that.
Order cancelled.
3CS. Missed that 3CS right there. Real good entry right there. Okay, interesting. You can see we're slowly building back here. Slowly building back on the day. Seem to be going the other side of that ribbon. Let's see what we're doing here. Bit of a double top. On the other side of the ribbon. Do we break these lows at 33 and go for a deeper pullback down towards the 25? Interesting. Oh wow. Looks like it now, doesn't it? It's a big strong move. Let's have a look at the calendar. Let's see what the calendar has to say here. Okay.
Order submitted.
Stop above the highs. Lower.
Target
just
filled.
take profit right there. Short 5. Take profit as we take out that wick right there. Let's see. We've got Fed Williams. He spoke out over an hour ago. So can we close below these lows here? Currently wicking off them at 33. Maybe interested in taking a short here. If we do take a short. Seems to be about 33. It's about 33. If we're going to take out those, so we've seen the wick, buyers come back in again. Let's see. To the downside, we've got a dart level down at 24.25. So we've got a level down at 24.25 here. 24.25. 24.25 right there. Again, we're into an area of previous support. Again, we're into an area of previous support here. We take the short, looking for that move down towards that dart level, which is at 23.75. So 24.75 should be the, okay.
Order filled.
Looking for that move down towards a dart level of 24.75. The dart level's at 23.75, so look to see if we can get down to 24.75 right there, 1 point above. I'm not using that 3-point stop, am I? Goodness me. Okay, we close back above that dart level right there. Where is that level? Let's see. Oh goodness me. Oh no. The actual close above the invalidation's at 39. Oh no. Oh no. It's 39, which is there. Oh wow, came down pretty close towards that 24.75. Where do we get? Got down to 26.25. Quick spike down. Not what I'm looking for. Oh, certainly not what I'm looking for now. Oh, could be there. I'm looking left. Surely not this here. Surely not. Strong close though. Nope, not yet. Inverted hammer reversal, huh? Is that what you're planning to do? Oh, we'll keep it on the 24.75 here. Let's see. That could just have been a bit move to take out all the weak hands. Oh goodness me, really? One tick away? Oh my gosh, 2 ticks away. Goodness me. 2 ticks away. What in the world? What in the actual world is that? 2 ticks away from dart level. What sort of craziness is that? Goodness me. Still gonna hold. Right prices retest these lows and weak tough it, so still hold. Should get those 2 ticks here based on how prices are moving down. Oh goodness. So we got 27, 26. Just need a spike down, take out those 2
Target
ticks. There we
filled.
go. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Seemed they were looking to get me out before. Look at that. Broke through. Quick flush down to 13 right there. As you can see, we're slowly building the account back here. Slowly. Now, this one was a revolver signal here that we went short, took profit at the wick. This short, not part of the system, but looked at the close below this swing low, went short, looked for the nearest dart level to the downside, which was at 23.75, took profit at 24.75, 1 point above that level. And the reason we could be looking at the shorts was the double top here into this area which we pulled back from. Also, this area that we had the double top, we had a dart level resistance which we both rejected off of these 2 bearish candles. But so the dart's proven itself useful. Problem is, I was planning to come in today and target 3 points of risk and 12 points of target, so not quite got that. Now, we've had the markets moving at the moment. It would look like sugar and spice. It would look like the obvious level to target here to the downside would be that 96.50. Found support there. Previous all-time high resistance. Found support there again. I think to the tick right here. Let's have a look at that on my other chart. Let's see. Was there a perfect test of 96.50? Let's have a look. The low was 94. 541. Let's have a look. 541. Oh, it's this one right here. 96.50. So 96.25. So 1 tick below our perfect test of that previous all-time high. 1 tick below, and then we had a move up, trade below that again to 94s, and then look at that, price moved up. So, oh wow, Look at this. Isn't this something? Wow, so we've gone to the dart level below here. The dart level sits at 0850, and we've got it. Prices came all the way down towards that 0850. So, oh wow. Interesting. Let's see what we do here. I may think about taking a long all the way up. Copy. Oh, sugar. I may think about taking a long all the way up towards that 2350. It will be 2250 actually. I like to get out before the level. Let's see what we do here. I may take a reversal long. Some degree of risk involved for that move up towards the dart level above. Let's see what we do here. Let's see if we can take out these lows. Let's see what we can do here. We're at 1125. Let's see what we can do here. Again, taking a reversal, somewhat dangerous considering the fact that we've got this level that's acting as a magnet. Okay, so alright, let's see if we take out the lows on this candle. If we don't, probably looking at a long. Let's see what we do here. Can we take out the lows at 0725? Again, that's counter to this primary trend that we're in. Somewhat risky here. Definitely risky. Took out the lows. Yep, took out those lows. So alright, so again we're looking for that move down towards our 9650. Let's see what we do here. Close below the dart level, so that's invalid now. Beyond the 9650 to the downside, we're looking at 78. So can get rid of this potential target here. Hold on a second here. Let's see what we do. Here. Take that off. See what we do here. We're rejecting that dart level here. Let's see what this market wants to do here. Try to stay patient, disciplined. Could this be the hold of the dart level? For that move up towards that 2250. Let's see what we do here. We did say the dart level sits at 0850, so looks like we're going to close above it. See what this other candle does here. Let's see if we can close above it again. Let's see what we're doing here. Let's see if the bullish buy side momentum comes into this market. Ideally, I'd like to see test this area of bullish buy side momentum. Oh goodness, it looks like this market is going to take up the entire range up to the 2250 and I won't have an opportunity to get in. Goodness me. So we're at 1650 at the moment. The higher we go, the less of a risk reward, which is positive. For that move up to 2250, let's see what we do here. 11 seconds to close. Oh goodness, we're up to 17. Okay, so we're up to 1750. Alright, so, oh goodness, wow, almost at 2250 here. Let me just take that long. Oh my, 2150, 2270. Oh goodness me, too much volatility there. So that target would have been hit for the reversal, but it's not a trade because market just reversed too much all the way to that dart level. Take this off. Goodness me. Take that off. Missed the reversal long. Okay, that's alright. That's not too bad. We're not going to complain too much. So that's a 3CS 3CS reversal long. Now we're in a bit of a pickle here. Do we take the reversal off the 2475? Okay, so we've interacted with it and we've rejected. Let's see what we do here. We may be able to take a short down towards that 0850. Let's just see what we do here. The level is at what's the level at? The level is at 923.75. So 923.75. We'll keep our line just there. Again, let's see what we do here. Probably shouldn't have deleted the previous mark. Could have definitely moved it. There we go. Alright, let's see what we do here. We do take the short, looking for that move down to target's 0850, so we got 0950. Let's do 0950. If the short sets up, it's a bit of a risky short. If we do take the short, it's a risky short. Again, let's see what we can do here. Looking for that move down to 0950. There's a possibility of this market reversing now. Let's see. Continuing to the upside, but short. Let's see what we do here. 8 seconds to go. Who knows? Is this a bull flag? Who knows?
Order submitted.
Some shorts right there. Just moved my stop up. Looking for that move down to that 0950. 1 point above. 1 point above that dot level. Let's see what we do here. Looking for that move down to 0950. You know what, let's put our stop just above the ribbon here. Let's see what the market does here. Can the selling take us back down to 0950?
Order cancelled. Order filled.
Again, did mention there is some risk with the bullish momentum possibly reversing to the upside again. But we didn't retest this lower portion that I wanted to see. I wanted to see us go lower for me to be confident for the buyers to come in to reverse higher. So currently got in my favor, 1450, 5 points away from target, but again, doesn't mean anything. This market could easily turn around, go higher, and have to get out for a stop. So we're in at 18, prices came down to 14, 4 points, 5 contracts, that's like $400 or something. See what the market's trying to do here. I suppose I was supposed to put 12 points of stop. Okay, so 12 points of stop should take us up to 30. Let's go 30 right there. That's if anything happens in the market just blasts off. As if the market just blasts off to the upside, so we'll keep it at 30 at the moment. Test out the 12 points of stop. The market's looking increasingly more bullish here. Gotta put my finger on the close button. Let's see where the market closes here. 40 seconds to close, maybe stopped out before the market closes here. 24. Okay, let's see what we do here. Let's see what we do here. Currently interacting with the 20 period moving average. Let's see what we do here. Let's see. Maybe getting a full stop out. Who knows? Let's see where we are. 1 second to close. What is that? Hold on, where did that candle just close? It closed at 24.50. Okay, we get out.
Order filled.
Just get out for a loss. We just get out for a loss right there. No big deal. Not a big deal at all. It's not a big deal. So that 3CS short there didn't work. Actually got a let's see what we do here. Imagine I get out and then the market just works in my favor. Do you imagine? This would be a higher low if it does hold. Let's see if we can get back above that. Hold on a second here. We might be setting up for a short again. Just gonna watch this market right here. I'm just gonna watch it. Looks like we're about to set up for a short. So I was in 18, stopped at 25, 7 points, which is not great. Not great at all. Hold on a second here. Not great at all. See what we're doing here around this dart level. Closed above it, so I got out. Let's see what we do here. You know what? Let's change the ATM. Let's change that. Say 48. Risking 48 ticks to make 48 ticks. Well, oh no, come on, are you for real? I really got out there at the highs. Goodness me. Gotta respect rules, gotta live by rules at the end of the day. Looks like we might be staying up for a short here. Again, looking for that move down towards that 0950 here. 1 point above the dart level. Who knows? Who knows? So, let's just see what we do here. 18 seconds to close. 12 seconds to close. Goodness me, is this thing really going to take up the entire range? 4, 3, 2.
Order filled.
Just got in short. What kind of candle was that? Seriously? 0950. 0950. Goodness me. What sort of candle was that? It took up the entire bleeding range. Goodness me. The move like that. Target's 3 points. I might as well move it down to 0850 at this point. Yeah, I'll move it down to 0850 from 09. Oh, goodness me. Is this really going to reverse the entire candle? Yeah, imagine. Imagine. It's not the kind of thing I want to see. I want to see this take out this low. Usually an inverted hammer. If we don't take out, if we see another bullish candle, we're going to have to get out because those bloody things always reverse. Let's put my hands on the close. These inverted hammers always reverse. An inverted hammer plus a bullish candle, reverse. Let's see, 22 seconds. Let's see, do we close bullish here? 11 seconds. Three seconds.
Order
Those out for a
filled.
loss.
Order filled.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on. You know what? Let's put our stop where the original target would have been. 0850. Let's see. Yeah, well, if it's reversing, it shouldn't break the low.
Order filled.
If it's reversing, you shouldn't break the low, so I'm just going to get out. Golly. So it goes. Oh, goodness me. Wow. There he goes. There it goes. So the inverted hammer doesn't work this time. There he goes. Right down to the dart level. Right down to the level. Wow. Wow. Interesting. Very interesting. He's flipping. These inverted hammers cause me so many issues with bullish candles, and the entire thing reverses. Now this time it sells off. Great. Getting a short signal right there. Where's the dart level here? Dart level is at 95.75.
Order filled.
95.75. Where's that? 95.75. 95.75. Let's see. Let's see what we do here. 95.75. Do have the level sitting at 96. Let's see what we do here. So this is a revolver signal after the open here at what is it? 90 minutes to close. So it's at 2:30. Stop meant to be at 26.50. So it's more than 12 points. Oh, goodness me. All the way at 26.50. Goodness me. Wow, above these swing highs. Pretty big stop. Okay, so we've got 96.50. Okay. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? Will we knock the door and then finally break? And if we do break, what we're looking at? 81.25. 81.25. Okay. So let's go with 82.25. 82.25. We see bullishness off this 96. We'll just get out. So looking for that bigger move here. Just in case we break out here to the downside, get a close above it after interaction with that 96.50, then we'll just get out. So we're just trying to look for that bigger move here. Looking for that bigger move. I haven't had a look at VIX all day. Where is VIX? Let's see. VIX is at sell, very strong sell. Okay, interesting. VIX is in a sell zone, it's strong sell, so VIX is strongly selling, so VIX is what, up 3%? Let's double check that. Yeah, VIX is up 3%, that's good sell signal. Let's go back to our charts here. Well, we've had this sell-off already, so night 54 pretty much had 150 points worth of sell-off. Let's see if we get a bullish move off this 9650. If not, looking for that move down towards that 81. That should take us, that doesn't even take us through lower day. It takes us close though. Takes us close to lower day, but not quite. What's going on here? Why are you fighting? I've had this week up. There we go. Looking to see how prices behave around this 9650. See a bullish move again out. Not quite got there yet. 97. Looking for that 9650. What is that? There we go. Alright, so decision time. The original, oh, I should put the original target in. It was 95.75, 95.75. That's where that dart level was, right there. Okay, that would have been hit. Okay. Now, so finger on the close button, like I said. Close bullish here, I'm getting out. Oh wow, there we go. There's a breakdown we're talking about. Looking for that move down towards that 82.25. I may take it off if I see a big spring up. Where are we? 30 seconds in. Oh, goodness me, don't want to see that. I want to see more follow through here. Goodness me, it's been brought back up. Trying to be patient here. Trying to be patient. 12 seconds. Trying to be patient here. Will we push at the end or will we go up at the end? So we push down at the end there. So I'm going to still hold short because near the end of the close of the candle we had a push down. So close back above 96. Looking to get out. So of course with the volatility we could easily close back up at break even, but you know what, I'm just going to put my stop down at break even just in case. It's not what I want to do, but oh goodness me, buyers have come back in strongly as well. Where are we? 18 seconds to close. 18 seconds to close, 9 seconds to close. Can we see this rejection off that 96? Can we see rejection off 96 here? Where do we close there? Ah, sugar. Seeing some rejection here. Seeing some rejection off that 96. You know what? Come take me out then. 98.50, then so be it.
Stop
There we
filled.
go. Been taken out. Been taken out. 98.50. 3 points above that dart level there. So we'll see. Where do we close here? We it closed at 95.50. That's a dart level. 95.54. Okay, let's see. Do we take this for a reversal? That's the question. Do we take this for a reversal? Okay, second bullish candle. Alright, a reversal will take us up to 10. A reversal will take us up to 10. A reversal will take us up to 10. So we get out at, say, 9. Let's see. A reversal takes us up to 9.25. Let's see, 9.25. Okay, interesting. Alright, let's see. So didn't quite take all our profits right there, so look for that reversal off the dart level coupled with that 96.50, which is actually a support previously. Let's see here. 3 seconds to close.
Order
Go
filled.
long. So there's 12-point stop. Let's see, we can get to 09.25. Looking at that move there off the dart level. Oh, come on. Really? Now we're going to sell back off. Okay. Maybe we'll get stopped out. Maybe we'll have to close for a loss. Who knows? Let's see what we do here. 19 seconds to close. Need to see some buyers. 14 seconds to close. Still no buyers. 9 seconds to close. 8 seconds to close. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Order filled.
So, went for the reversal, didn't work. Made a bigger loss. Let's see what we do here. Goodness me, so we got out. Imagine this goes all the way down towards that level that I was mentioning now. All the way down towards that 82.25. Goodness me. Again, we could chop around here. Let's see. See what this market wants to do here. Still at 90. Again, we're into okay, so let's see what we do here on this bullish candle. But coming in towards these lows here, so there is a possibility that buyers may step up. Let's see where we close here. I might just get in for that move down towards that 82.25 I was looking for. Depending how we close here, I may go for that short. 28 seconds to close, 26 seconds to close. Hoping that the whole entire range isn't taken here. If the entire range is taken, I might have to go down to a 30-second chart. The 1 minute may just be too quick. So let's see, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Order filled.
So I'm short now. Looking for that move down towards that 82.25. That's the dart level, right? No, it's actually at 81. 881. So 881. After those series of losses, I'm thinking of holding it to 881. Let's see what we do here. Get stopped out again, or have to close for a loss. I'm gonna have to give this area a miss. This 96.50, too much is happening here, too much consolidation. This market shouldn't be coming back up at all, but it is. 3 seconds to close. Ooh, looks like I'm about to close this off for a loss. What's happening here? Where did we close? Let's see, where did we close here? We closed at 95.50, so that's
Order
too
filled.
close to it. That's too close to that level. Far too close to it. 95.50, back at that level again. So you can see we're building the losses here. This area is very tricky. Very tricky. May go for that reversal again. It's been rather difficult. Let's see what news came out today in this market. Consumer spending. See. Goodness me, come on. 95.50. 95 we closed. Can we close below 95? We can close below 95. I'll look to target at 81 again. I may go for that short again. I don't know why I'm doubling down on this short, but seeing this move down, it's looking for this support to act as resistance. It's 96.50. Looking for it to act as resistance or support. If it can act as resistance, then all about. Okay, so we're not going to close below it. Interesting. Very interesting. Closed above it. Okay, so now we've closed above it, looking for that move up to 10. Let's see, so we're up to 902. Goodness me, it looks like the entire range is going to be taken here. Let's see what we can do here. Let's see. Looks like I'm going to have to go down to a 30-second chart. This, oh goodness me, this thing's going to take up the entire range. So the target would be 0925. Goodness me, the entire range is going to be taken by this 1 minute chart. Oh goodness me. We'll see what we do on this 1 minute candle here. Hopefully it doesn't get to that 0925 and I have an opportunity to get in. Hopefully. I may have to target at 1050 to the upside, not the 0950. Just simply based on the volatility that we have here on the 1 minute chart. 16 seconds to close. Seven seconds to close. 2, 1.
Order
Long.
submitted. Order filled.
Filled. Target 1050. Target 1050. Prices came into this 20 period moving average, currently below it. Let's see if we can get up to that 1050. Stop 12 points. Looking to get out if we close below the if we close below this 96, we'll probably get out. Again, we've had these prices come down, head down, seem to be having difficulties heading lower. after this 96, so let's see if we can head higher and above, go towards our 1050 here. You know what, with this 1050, let's target the dart level to the upside. Dart level to the upside, we're looking at 925, is it? Yeah, 925, so we go 924. 924. 924. So we'll see how we interact around that 1050. See bearishness, we'll get out. But if we do see a strong move through that 1050, we're looking to target at 24 to the upside. Looking for that full rotation move to the upside here. Using the 1 minute chart. I suppose if we're using the 30 seconds, that 1050 will be a better target, but it's 9650. Goodness me, why can't the buyers just come back in and drive us up? You know what, finger on the close. May have to get out again. Oh, what was that? What was that? Where do we close here? Closed on the level at 95.50. Goodness me, what sort of rubbish is that? Oh my gosh, I can't even think to get out. So I'm gonna have to be stopped out again. Because of the way it closed. Oh goodness me. Because of where it closed, it's not really a signal to get out. Because we closed on the level. Goodness me. You know what? Let's see what we do here. We've got 21 seconds left on this candle. If it does close bearish, it's going to be below the level, so we can definitely get out for a loss. Looks like it's closing bearish. 4, 3, 2.
Order filled.
Okay. Oh, look at that, of course. Now it goes down to the level. Now it's going to go down towards the level of 81. Will I take it? Yeah, of course, why not? This 3 CS is just an absolute nightmare. Especially on this 1 minute here. Absolute nightmare. Still going to take that short though, down to 81.
Order
Gonna
submitted.
go short. Let's see if I get
Order
filled.
filled.
Got filled. You know what? Follow the rules and take it out at 81. Even though you feel like it should hold for longer. Take it out at 81. What if we break down? A breakdown takes us down to 51.25. We got a level there at 68, so we'll get out at 70. Let's see if we can get 70 here. First, see if we can get 81. Yeah, I've got a DCL down at 68, it looks like. Is this market seriously going back to 95 again? Broke below it, and all we've done is chopped around. You know what? I've not even had a look at the CDR for the day. What is the range for the day? Let's have a look. CD. Oh, no. Not on this laptop. Press escape. CDR. Current day's range. 143. Oh gosh, I should be looking at range bound trading.
Stop filled.
Been stopped out. Yeah, that's great, mate. Come down towards these lows, and all we've done is blaming chop. Flipping fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Lead ourselves a greater hole here. As we can see, look at that. Market's moved all the way up towards that the 10 level we're looking at. You'd say 1050 or so. Just can't seem to buy a win off this 3 CS. Let's see what we do here. Let's see if we can finally hold this level. If we do, looking for that move up to 2450 or so. Okay, let's see what we do on this candle. Looks like it's going to take out that 10 level. Took it out pretty easily there. Oh goodness me. At this rate, it's going to take out the 24. Yeah. Seconds to go. 6, 5. Oh my gosh, really?
Order filled.
My flipping life. That flipping candle. What in the world kind of BS candle is that? 12-point candle, goodness me. Absolute BS candle, man. Jeez Louise. Taking out the flipping range. Golly. Absolute BS candle. Oh, what was it flipping? 25. I'm gonna have to put it at 25 now because that's a silly candle. This stop can't even be where it is. At 12 points, I'm gonna keep it there, but I'm probably gonna have to move it down, which I don't want to do because that's adding risk. Risk reward's already negative. Risking 12 points to make 10. The last thing I need is to putting the stop all the way down here at 25 points. If the system requires it, then I don't even know. Like, Do we even take it off at 25, or do we go for the dot level above that at 40? In terms of risk reward, you'd probably say to take it off at 40. 1 point below would take us up to 39. That's now 24 points here, risking 12 points to make 24. Now that's a better risk reward. There's no guarantee that price will head up towards essentially 39.75. So it's 38.75. That's the actual level. You know what? Where was the moving average ribbon? We're looking at 99.25. 99.25. We're going to put our stop there. It's more than we'd like. 16 points. But let's see. Let's see if this market does. See if we finally hold this level. Although in reality the stop should be down there at closer to the lows here at 89. So made new lows in towards these lows here, looking for the move. Not quite back up to these highs, but fairly close. To have these highs here, which could act as resistance around at 25. So this market's goodness me, it's not making it easy, is it? Based on how long it took to move down here, a move all the way up should take a fairly long time. So just going to leave it. This is the dilemma now, isn't it? Like, we get to 25, do we just take the profit? We're in a drawdown. Do we hold at 25? We've also got the 200 period moving average, which could also be an additional level of confluence and resistance. Do we take the 8 points? No, about nearly 10 points there, 10 points. Or do we try to hold for the move up to 40? That's the dilemma we're in. Pullback from 25 could be a big pullback. Big pullback from there could give up all of our profits. So we've got 10 points right there. This looks like a bull flag, doesn't it? Breakout. Let's see what we do here. Off this dot level at 25, again interacting with the area that's acting as resistance. Seeing that breakout above that resistance. Again, we need to see a close strongly. This breakout here could just be taking out stops. Market could easily close bearish and reverse. So I can't really read too much into that move up to 28. Could just be a little stop on. See? 15 seconds to close, and looks like we're going to close bearish off that 200 period. And goodness me.
Order
Close
filled.
it there. Just going to close it there off that dart level bearishness into that 200 period. Who knows, maybe the market will continue all the way to 40. We'll see if we get a reversal of this back down towards that 10. Let's see if we can get a reversal back down to 1050. Let's see what we did here. Close on the level, close below the level. Let's see what we do on this candle. Ten seconds to close. Looking for a close below that 25. Okay, so where do we close there? Let's have a look. Oh goodness, we close at 25. Goodness me. Wow. Wow. Doesn't make it easy, does it? Close exactly at the level. Close 25.25, close 23.50, close 25. Take a short here is incredible amount of risk, but it's not quite a 3CS with the close at the level. I'm looking for a failure off this 200 period. Looking for that move back down to 1050.
Order filled.
So I'm gonna go short right there. Looking for this move down to 1050. The dart level to the downside. Close back above 25 again out for a loss, or we'll be stopped out at 31. Again, this is based on the 3CS. Looking for that move down towards that 1050. Currently short 19.25. Problem is that's inside of this moving average ribbon. All these moving averages could act as potential support. All of them. Every single one of them. Every single one of them. Every single last one of them. Usually I'll take a profit at 11.50, but all these losses and this drawdown, I mean, I'm looking to get towards the actual level. We'll see here. Currently at 14.
Target
12, there we
filled.
go. Target hit. So target hit there. At 1050. Let's see what we do here. Okay, if we take this short, this revolver short, let's see what we do.
Order
go
submit.
short
Order
revolver.
filled.
And on that revolver short, we're looking for a move down towards 96, which is, well, it's 95.75. 95.75. So let's see, 95.75, yeah. Just one tick below that 96 level. That's a revolver short. off that 3 CS short, so let's see if we get it. Okay, that moved down. I'd have liked for it to just follow through and get it, but it's just not been my day like that. So where's our stop? Oh goodness me, stop's pretty big. Stop's all the way up there. Well, it stops all the way up there. Not the sort of thing I would like. Live by rules, follow the rules, right? So let's see if we can get this. Let's see if we can get this 95.75 here. There's a risk of us bouncing before testing. Got to 98.50, so below that 900 level. If we get stopped out, we're short at 10.29. That's 19 points. Wow. And we're short at 09, 14. So the risk reward is actually negative there. Our risk reward is negative. Let's move the target down to where it's supposed to be at 95.75. Let's see if we get it. Not taking any counter signals, holding to stop out if needs be. I've had this move up, retraced a lot of it, close below the moving average ribbon. This market seems to be struggling to head higher, so we'll see. Made new highs slightly, posted this bearish candle, and we've seen selling come in quite a bit. False breakout selling trap, so let's see what they do with this. Let's see if they get that 95.75. It looks like we're going to get it. Got to 97, so broke the previous lows there through 98. Got to 97. That's originally where the 12 points was when I entered the trade. Looking for that 95.75. Goodness me, why is it hanging around here? Come on. Was that nice 675? What was that? Nice 675. 1 point away. Now am I really willing to risk all the way to 29 from 1 point away? That's a question. Am I willing to risk all the way to 29 because the market came 1 point away? Well, the question is, do you follow your rules and do you follow your system? You know what? Just follow the rules. If I get filled, I get filled. If I don't, I don't. So it's that simple. We're below the ribbon. It means this is a strong level. Should I have just taken profit at 96.75? This is the games they play. Well, stops all the way up there, so who knows? Who knows? Inverted hammer. Do we see a reversal like we tried to anticipate earlier and lost? It was that inverted hammer that we tried to anticipate and lost. Where was it? So an inverted hammer. We anticipated the market going up and it didn't. And we actually lost. as the market went lower. Where was it? Oh, this one here. We got out, went long, and the market just reversed lower. So now we've got an inverted hammer here. Not in my lock, this one will just reverse all the way up. But there we are, inverted hammer plus bullish candle. That's what I used to reverse the position last time. Then candle 3 to cut the lows. Let's see if we can get below this 99. Well, that's the key level right now. The low of the inverted hammer at 98.75. You know what? Let me just put an alert at 98.75. Let's see if we can take out those lows. If we can't, then goodness me, real bad day in the office. See, can't even take out those lows. What is that, 2 ticks away? Bullish, bullish, bullish. So the last 4 minutes we've been bullish. Not a single bearish candle to find anywhere. Just had pure buying side momentum. Goodness me. Well, this is a kind of action that you're just going to see a big spike. Goodness me. Five straight minutes of buying. We stick to the plan. Revolver selling signal. Went short. Looking for the dart level. Stop at the highs. You know what? If we close above where I've entered, I'm just gonna get out. Even though it's not part of the plan or the rest of it, I'll just get out. Because this is some BS, man. What sort of thing is this? This inverted hammer that we talked to bloody about. This flipping market just comes all the way back up. Since when? Golly. didn't even interact with the flipping level. Kind of in one point of the level. Let's come back to where our flipping entered. You know what? If you come and take out the signal candle, so be it. Yeah, let's see if you take out the signal. You know, it looks like it's going to, doesn't it?
Order
Yeah.
filled.
Just got out. For a loss, of course. So tempted to go along for the takeout of the high of the signal candle. Look at this. We've had a bullish candle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Goodness me. Just pure buying. Pure buying. Got out for a loss, of course. So short 09, got out at 11. 2-point loss. Oh, right. Oh, goodness me. No one's
Order
gonna buy
submitted.
that. Let's see if it fills me. I'm gonna target these highs. This is not part of the system, but
Order filled.
there we go. We're filled. Copy. Control V. Let's put that all the way at our. Let's put it all the way there. And then let's put our stop where our original target was. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we're right to get out of our original position, or whether this market's going to reverse and hit where my stop would have been when I talked about moving it to the high of the signal candle. So I'm in at 05, targeting 18.
Target filled.
Yeah, there we go. So the target's at 18 right there. Would have been in some trouble. So we managed to get out. We managed to build back some profit right there of a trade we didn't anticipate. Well, let's see if we can take this long. The risk reward's not great.
Order
long.
filled.
And let's target 25. Let's target 24.75. And that's a dart level to the upside here. We do have to be aware that we do have the 200 period in between us and the target. And as it is a revolver signal long, even though we didn't interact with the dart level below, where's the let's see, 99.25. 99.25. 99.25 is a stop. Ouch, negative risk reward, goodness me. Target, let's make sure we get the target right. Target's 25. You know what, let's get the 25 on there. Sorry, the negative risk reward. Let's just try to get all of the points off this. Let's see, can we get to 25? Looking for a move up to that 25. System actually says we should target 24.75, but just trying to get all of the points out here. So currently pulling back here off the 200 period. We did say it could act as a potential resistance. Got a bit of a double top here. Oh my gosh, I didn't even draw it on. Great. Let's see. Did not even draw the box on for the potential double top. Right there. Golly. Right into it. Only hope right now is for this to get up towards where those candles opened and closed at the highs. Yeah, we'll be patient here. Goodness me. Wow. Do we hold all the way? That's the question. If it goes against us, what are we risking? 17 down to 99. That's 18 points. That's 18 points. That's a lot. That is a lot. So we're definitely not going to be targeting those highs at 29. If we get out 25, we're going to be happy. We're going to run for the hills. 1750 up to 25. Let's see. It's less than 8.7.5 points. Let's see what we do here. I don't like the fact that we are struggling. Not a fan that we're struggling here. Right into this box. Not a fan. Golly. Do we consolidate and break higher? Jeez Louise, or do we just break down? Oh goodness me. You know what? Let's just put our stop at the low of the signal candle. This was a candle that we used to get in long. Place a stop there instead of 99.25. If the market comes down and takes out the lows by, let's say, 1 point, still got negative risk reward. Still risking about 12 to make about 7. But that's struggling. That is struggling. I'm looking for a spike, and if he wants a dump, then so be it. Just looking for a spike to get those shorts out of the way. A quick spike. It's 1 point below the signal candle. Let's see. We're at 1950, 2050. Let's see. Let's go 21. We're going to take the target at 21. Oh goodness, if we can get it. Can we get 21? Can we get 21?
Target
Okay,
filled.
we got 21. And
Order
buy
submitted.
back if we come back down. Looks like we're going to get it. Okay, so thinking there was to get 21, then we can move our target, our stop back down, our target down from 25 to 21. So we get back in and get back out at 21. Looks like we're going to got out too quick there. Yeah, there we go.
Order
Hit
canceled.
25 would have stayed in, but would have hit 25 if we'd have stayed in. Got out 21, 4 points below. So that's it, because we're chopping here, sinking, take some profit, market comes back, get in, then that target would move down from where it was at 25, bring itself down to 21. So got 21, get back in, get out 21 again. That was what the thinking was, but been more patient, would have hit target. So got was at 17, from 17 to 21 is 4 points. So see where we are. So we're about 30 minutes to close here. Seeing that selling come in off a retest of those highs there. Let's see what we do here. Just trying to see what we're gonna do here. So the problem is when you go change the rules to your system, and you go changing the rules, then the data that comes out of it is not going to be good. Let's see, so are we going to close back below the 200 here? Where do we close this down? Let's see, 200 is at 22, closed on the 200. Okay, interesting. Let's see what we do here. Let's see, with this double top here.
Order submitted.
That wasn't filled. Wasn't filled on that double top. Sugar. It's not filled on the double top.
Order canceled.
That's fine. That's fine. It's not a problem. So let's see what we do here. We just be patient. Just be patient here. I'm a bit too zoomed in here. Let's zoom out a little bit. Getting a bit myopic. Oh, there's that area right there. So, alright, interesting. So I missed that double top short. Let's see what we do here. Yeah, it's a great area to short. Right, nice, good area. We had resistance again. Good area for a little short right there. 22, all the way down 17. Definitely could have picked up those points we lost earlier. Seeing buying come in off this level here. Let's see what we do here. Seeing a range contraction as well. Seeing a contraction of the range. This may be the chance I get to test out. Where is it? Oh, here it is. So this may be the chance I get to test out a strategy that I've got on the burner. And this strategy is our candle switch strategy. So our candle switch strategy said we should focus on longs. Okay, let's see, candle switch says to focus on longs. Okay, interesting. That's interesting. Okay, let's pin. Let's see what we do here. Saying to focus on long. Okay, so I guess candle switch is looking at this as being potentially a breakout, which is interesting. Do take a long here, back above the 200.
Order
It's going to go
submitted.
long. Oh, wasn't filled. Was not filled.
Order
There
filled.
we are. Looking for a long. Not quite a setup there. Looking to take out those highs there, so 3 points right there. Looking for that move to those highs. Not quite got there yet. Stop down at 15, it says 15.75. So below these lows, down to these lows here. There we go.
Target filled.
Target. Yeah, there's a target there at HL. So, okay, this is candle switch real. So revolver setting up here. Revolver setting up.
Order
Long.
filled.
Revolver long. Stop down at I think it's 15.50 or so. Target is the HL, not the HL, the flipping, the dart level to the upside, and that dart level is sitting at, is that 39, 39.50 or so. So let's see, 39.50. $39.25. So it's at 39.25. Where's our stop? Our stop is at 15.75. 15.75. Hold on, what's the risk reward on that? That doesn't look great. Let's see. The risk reward does not look positive. Oh, don't tell me it's going to false breakout. Flipping out. At the end of the day as well. 13 points of risk. $10 points of reward. Yeah, I looked at it and I thought, hold on, that didn't look right. So, the risk reward isn't great on it. Risk reward is not great. Let's go have a look at the candle switch, see what it says. Candle switch says long. What's a candle switch target? Candle switch target is at, wow, candle switch target is enough. Let's see. There's a candle switch target here. Candle switch target. 33.50. Candle switch targets at 33.50. This looks like a false breakout here. This looks increasingly like a false breakout. What's this? 28. That's not what we want to see. Wow, that's definitely not what we want to see here. Sugar broke up off the highs. Immediate selling. Goodness me. No follow through. 7 seconds left. I'm gonna close this. 2, 1.
Order filled.
False breakout. I'm not gonna do what I did the other day and keep holding. None of that. Absolutely not. So with this false breakout, we should go down towards that 15. Oh, looks like we already went down there. Went to 16.25. So would it took us up? Rather short. Hold on, our stop would have been at 15.75. It's not quite
Order
up there
submitted.
yet, so
Order filled.
went to 16.25, so let's go with that. 15.75, so we got out a bit early. Let's see if we would have got our stop here. And let's see what our original target was 39.25. Very poor risk reward there. Imagine if we would not have got our stop by 2 ticks and then he comes up and gets our stop. Imagine that. There's our target right there. So we did have not got our stop. So we got out because we saw that third candle after that break to the upside. Looked like a false breakout, 3 consecutive bears after a break of highs, thinking false breakout. Didn't quite get my stop, came 2 ticks away, so decided to go short, looking to pick up those 2. Well, short 19.75, looking at it at 15.75, which is 4 points. Let's see if we get it. Let's see if we get it. Now if we completely reverse here, looking for a move down towards 11.50. That's probably a better risk reward actually. 11.50, even though that's negative. That 11.50 is a dart level to the downside. Got a high there at 31. Let's make that 32.50. Let's see what happens here. We're just hanging off that 200 period. Of course, if we see, again, we're holding that 20 period at the moment. Of course, if we break the highs, 31, let's see, so let's say if we break the highs by 5 points, so let's say 36. Let's go with 36. If we break the high by 5 points, look at this, price is holding the 20 period at the minute. Just not breaking down away from it. But I'm looking for this false breakout here to follow through. So we pulled back, broke out again, pulled back. I really want to see a lower low relative to these lows at 16. That's what I really want to see. Now of course a close above 31. I have to get out of that point. This market's looking holding that 20 period. It's really holding this 20 period here. This doesn't want to break down away from this 20 period. It's not what I want to see. I want to see that move down towards first at 15.75, our original stop. And then beyond that, we want to look at the dart level to the downside of 11.50. So we want to look for. So we broke that 15.75 there. Gone down to 14, looking for that move down towards that 11.50. You know what? I'm just going to adjust my stop to break even here. And the reason I'm doing that is because I've got negative risk reward. Price is 3 points away from that dart level, which was not anticipated. Oh goodness me. And here comes the buyers. about to get a revolver short actually. I was gonna go short. Let's see. Let's see here. Okay, if we take out these lows, gonna adjust my stop to above this open. Golly. Are we for real right now? $31, $36. There we go.
Target filled.
And the target was filled. So that target was filled there to the downside, down towards the dart level, pretty much near the close of the day here. So just turned our wheels really. Did a lot of trading, but didn't really achieve much. Did not achieve much at all. So I think we barely made $600, I think. Let's just see where we are. Let's see. I think we made $600 after all of that. Wednesday the 28th. And yeah, we're wrapping it up here. Let's just see what we did. As you can see, started off well. We are there at 16. Pulled back, had a brief peak here, and after that went negative by quite a bit. So look at that, from the highs there to these lows, went negative, peaked, and that's where we're going to end up. So I suppose 2 points should be able to bring me back above those peaks. Now, we've seen what's happened in the past with that. Oh, wow, okay. Got a signal short. Oh, hold on.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Got a signal short right there. The dart level we're looking at here to the downside is 97.50. Let's see, 97.50. So that's a revolver short. Should have been short further up actually at 05.75, but here I am short at 04. Dart level sitting at 97.50. So that's actually above the 96 level. Where's the stop here? Stop. Oh goodness me. Oh goodness me. Can't imagine I'm going to hold out for that tiny stop. Really? Wow. Oh my word, we've got imbalances in 3 minutes. And we've got a target which is about 5 points away. With imbalances, this market could easily come up. You know what? If it gets there, it's probably going to get all the way up there, so. Oh goodness me, wow. Looking for that move down towards that dart level on this revolver short, and yeah, that seems to be working. Does not seem to be working at the moment. No, I'll take this down a tick. Even though I should have it up there, I'm just going to take it down a tick. Again, if we take out this level, It's not likely we're going to take that out, so get to save 3 points in a stop. Oh, come on. How is the market going to flush down with goodness me, volume and volatility, and then immediately pull back here? Golly. I think I'm probably going to have to shelve a revolver here, because this is just not going to work. It seemed poised to head down to this level, and look at this. Just buying from 900. Just buying. There's the imbalances. Let's see if we go down towards this 9750. Don't look like it at a minute. Not with this wick. If anything, we'll look poised to take out these highs. That would be a 24-point loss. With 24 points where we are. Goodness me. And all of this just because I was trying to build the account back to bring the account back to 8 for the day. And I definitely had the opportunity to, especially after I got in, because I'm sure I had 2 points at some point. 904 went over 450, so we had 2 points at some point. So with imbalances, so first move here is down, which is usually the wrong move. After that, it's probably going to rally. First move is down, and then it goes up. If it goes down, then it goes up. If it goes up, it goes down. We'll look to see if that 9750, now it's 1 point above. 1 point above that important level of 9650, so we'll see. We'll see here. Let's see if we can get through that 950. Looking for that move through 950. There we go. Can we? Oh, my word. Really? 4 ticks away. 5 ticks away, actually. Oh, goodness me. Surely would have hit it. Surely. I'm sure that was my order just triggered. My alert. You know what? We're not going to do this. We are not doing that. You're not going to... Flip's sake, are you for real? Is it really going to hit the dart level and bounce? Golly. You know what? Oh, put it there. It's 11 points. How did it? So it hit 9750 perfectly and pulled back. That's the reason I wasn't triggered. Hit it perfectly and pulled back to 04. Goodness me. Perfectly, not even a tick below. Not even a tick
Target
below.
filled.
There we go, finally. So, finally taken out. Goodness me. Wow. Today's been difficult. Now let's go try this again. There we are. Not quite where we were at the peak, but second highest point. With that, we're going to wrap up this session here. So it was a difficult session. The market carried over our P&L from the major losses yesterday, and had more difficulties today. 3CS proved itself difficult. Revolve also had some difficulties as well. So it hasn't been smooth sailing. Managed to eke out a positive gain on the day, and still a lot of work to do. Could imagine on the summary page. There we go. Not great. See, that's not important. Average winner, average loser. See, that's better. Average winner is bigger than average loser. Largest win, largest loss now. That needs to be reversed. Definitely needs to be reversed. Go back to the analysis here. That's where we are. Let's see. So we dug ourselves a bit of a hole there. But yeah, that's just gonna wrap it up. So we'll end the stream there. Look at that strong bullish move off that 96 there. Let's see, can we close bullish here? Can we close bullish? We close bullish. May just take a long off this
Order
off
filled.
96. So I've just gone long. Where am I long? I am long at 0575. So right there.
Target
There we
filled.
go. Taking profit. So let's try that again, shall we? This should bring me to the highs. Poor impulse control on that. So our highs here, 1664. Oh, I'm at 14 or something. Oh, 15. Right, close enough. Close enough. Close enough. After 9650. Oh, I already thought I held that. Wow. Look at that. So, yeah, we'll end it there. We'll end the stream there. If you've watched the video, thanks for watching. And if you've liked the video, think about liking as well.